All right, this feature focused video is covering marketing campaigns. It's super important to track the leads, the records within your FlipPilot account to the marketing campaigns that produce those leads and deals. That way you can see what's working and what's not. You can see the cost that you've put in, the return on investment based on the actual profit you make from the deals that you do, so that you know where to move the money, right? Where to move your marketing dollars, where your investment in your marketing to what's working, what's not just producing a lot of leads, but what's producing a lot of deals and then profit from those. So FlipPilot was set up so that you could do that very easily. And I'm showing you right now, if you click on 3 buttons in menu, you can go to campaigns. That's the marketing campaigns. So right now I've got 2 of them set up in this account, and I've got a website organic and a Google Ads one. And I've added some cost to the Google Ads so I can see some of the numbers. Okay, so if I go to manage this campaign, you're going to see that I've got 1 record currently attributed to this Google Ads campaign. And so the cost per record, because I've spent $997, so that cost per record is pretty much lead, right, is $997. And I put that record has a projected profit to make $25,000, and it actually made, once that property was fixed up and sold, $28,950, which gives us a return on investment of 2,804%, which is awesome for this campaign. You can see these numbers change as you get more records in your account and more profit, and you can see those numbers, change over time. And so you can see I've got the 1 cost down here. You can add more cost as you have cost for this campaign. So if you're doing a bandit sign campaign or something, you put in the cost of the bandit signs, and if you're paying somebody to put them out, you would add that cost there to keep track of how much you're spending for that campaign so you can get an accurate return on investment number. You're going to also notice that we have campaign number over here so that you can choose to attribute or attach one of your CallRail numbers. If you've got the professional account and you've integrated CallRail, you can assign one of those numbers in your CallRail account to this campaign. So anytime a new text comes in or a new call comes in from a number that's not known, a new record is going to be automatically inserted into your pipeline under new, and that record, that lead, will already automatically be attributed to this campaign. So it's cool. It helps you track it automatically, so you don't have to ask the seller, which number did you call, or any of that stuff. You've got it right there. FlipPilot's automatically doing it for you, so it's very, very cool. Okay, now I'm going to show you, if you're adding a new campaign, up here at the top right is our add button, right? This is a global add button. Find campaign, so we'll add a new campaign. Let's say we're doing a bandit sign campaign. So I'm going to label this campaign bandit sign, and I'm going to choose a channel. And this is really just for kind of grouping. If you've got multiple campaigns that are grouped in the same channel, you can do that here just to put them together in that one channel. Campaign number, I'm going to just leave it none for now, but if I wanted to, since I have the Pro account and the integration, I can put whatever CallRail number I have for that bandit sign campaign in there. So this is an important point. If you get that CallRail account and you get these numbers, and you're doing a bandit sign campaign, you want to get a separate phone number and CallRail for that. So anytime a call comes in, you know already they called you from a sign. You don't have to ask them. There's no guesswork involved. It's very cool. But just for simplicity, I'm going to leave that as none here and create in view. And you'll see it's just the same as what we just saw. And if I have a new cost, I can add that. So sign purchase, and let's say I spent $428. That was the date first. Get ahead of myself. So today, $428.32. I'm just going to put 18 by 24 signs just as a description, and then add that cost. So now you can see the cost is here, and I don't have any records attributed to it, to this campaign. So let's go ahead and do that so you know how to do that. If I go back to my pipeline and I just click on a lead, on a record, on the left side, you can choose which campaigns right here. And I'm going to say, let's say that came from a bandit sign. And I'm going to close this out. And then whenever I go back over to my campaigns, it's going to show that I've got the 1 record over here under bandit signs now. Okay, and so the cost per lead, cost per record here for bandit signs is now $428.32 because that's what I've spent. We've only got 1 record. Okay, Now, where do we get these numbers from though? Projected profits for that deal and actual profits, which gives us our return on investment. That's in the record, okay? So under the record here that we attributed to Bandit Signs, if you scroll down under financials, this is where you can place your projected profit when you put it under contract, how much you hope to make. And then whenever it's worked through your pipeline, through your workflow, and you've profited from this property, from this deal, you can put the actual profit in here so that you can see what these numbers are in the campaigns. So that's the fun part, right? That's the cool part, being able to say, hey, I spent $2,000 on, Google Ads, and I ended up getting 5 deals and ended up making, $89,000. And you can just like see all the numbers right there. You can see it in real time as it progresses, as you track that stuff. So highly encourage you to make use of marketing campaigns in FlipPilot and make sure that leads are attributed to those campaigns. On the cards, we're actually showing you what campaign it is right here as well, so you can see on your cards in your pipeline what campaign is attributed, so you can find out which ones don't have them. If you filter, you can filter by no campaigns, and that'll show you the pipeline with only the records that have no campaigns, so you can make sure you can clean up your pipeline and attribute all records to the campaign they belong to of what they came in as. And I'm going to clear that out so you can see it again, because this one already has the campaign. Super powerful stuff. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the FlipPilot YouTube channel and click the bell button icon thing to get notifications of these new videos as we put them out. And thanks so much for being a customer and being a part of FlipPilot. Yeah.